everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today मैं लाई हूँ आप सब के लिए एक haul video where I will review and rate all the tops that I've bought from New Me Asia. And this is all the package. कुछ नया है, कुछ पुराना है, but I'm gonna review all of them together. And if you ever shop from New Me Asia, you can just use my coupon given on the screen for some extra discount. So now let's start the video. Starting from the one that I'm wearing, this is a two-kind top. You can wear it as off-shoulder and you can wear it as one shoulder like this, like whatever style you prefer to, however you want to style it, you can wear it. मुझे ये वाला स्टाइल पसंद है, like one shoulder, so मैंने ऐसा ये वाला ऊपर में रख दिया, ये नीचे में ऐसा खींच लिया. But if you are really into off shoulder, you can just pull this down and देखो off shoulder हो गया. I don't know ये कपड़ा कौन सा material से बना है, but it is so comfortable. So I rate this top a 10 on 10. Style wise, comfort wise, material wise, everything 10 on 10. And this is a must have because especially summer के लिए it is very important to have like a comfortable top in your wardrobe. If you're into comfortable and stylish type of top like me, you can just order it, like it's a top notch. Each and every top that I'm wearing in this video is in size small. And सभी कपड़ा का price मैंने screenshot के साथ screen में डाल दिया है. Moving into our next item, we have a top again. Obviously a top because आज मैं कर रही हूँ tops का haul, इसलिए everything is top here. So this is the top. You can wear it as off shoulder. And ऐसा करके भी पहन सकते हो if you're not comfortable. So this is the top and इसके साथ आता है ये, I don't know what it is called, like you wear the top and then like just style it ना. So this top is also very comfortable and ये दोनों same material का है and it's so good and comfortable, especially summer के लिए because summer में बहुत गर्मी होता है and then you want something stylish plus comfortable. The color is also so pretty and when you wear it, oh my god, it's awesome. I'm gonna rate this top a 10 on 10 because quality, comfort, everything is there. So I rate this top a 10 on 10. So you can order this if you really like it. And this kind of ruche detail is very much trending these days. So you can just go for it. So the next top is this, which is giving a vacation vibe. It's so lovely and इतना भी transparent नहीं है, बहुत सुंदर है. If you're going on a vacation, you can just wear it like a cover up, like put your beach outfit on and ऊपर से ये लगा लो for the cover up and it will look so pretty. This is it. So I rate this top a 10 on 10 style wise, material and comfort wise also. So यहाँ पे जितना top है, जितना top आज मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ, everything is like 10 on 10 because New Me didn't disappoint me this time. Everything I ordered सब अच्छा ही आया है, इसलिए like I think I'm gonna rate everything a 10 on 10. Let's see. Next item is this top. It is a very cute top. I think this top is not available anymore. ये मेरा body पे थोड़ा बड़ा है, इसका size है small which I usually wear, but ये वाला top कुछ ही ज़्यादा बड़ा हो गया. So like if you wanna get this top then I suggest you to size down. एक size down कर लीजिए. If you usually wear small then just go for extra small. That's all I want to say. Overall this top is very pretty and it's giving that girly vibe which every girl loves. Every girl loves pink. This is the top and I'm gonna rate this top a 6 on 10 because it's not comfortable at all. बहुत body में बहुत चिपकता है and बहुत uncomfortable वाला feeling देता है and ऊपर से ये थोड़ा बड़ा है. Maybe video में दिख नहीं रहा है पर reality में ये थोड़ा बड़ा है. And the material is also very light and transparent. And the next item is this. This is one of my favorite top, especially ये वाला detail, like बहुत सुंदर है. Because of this only मैंने ये खरीदा and it's so good, like it snatch your body, you know, like पूरा fitting आता है body में. It make you look so pretty. So this top is a must have for every girl, especially आजकल summer चल रहा है, बहुत गर्मी चल रहा है and ऐसा वाला top is a must have. I rate this top a 10 on 10. It's so comfortable. It's so elegant plus stylish. You can just pair it with anything like skirt, trouser, jeans, everything. सबके साथ बहुत अच्छा से जाता है. So this is the top guys and as I told you earlier, I ordered this top only for the shake of this ruffle detail. I am in love with the ruffle detail of this top. So this top is a body hugging top and it makes your body look more attractive. Let's move into our next item which is gonna be this top. ये उल्टा है, मैंने लगाया था. I think you saw it already. This is very trending. ये सबके पास है, ये वाला टॉप सबके पास है. Like it is available in different colors and बहुत अच्छा है quality fitting, and this is also a kind of top that like snatch your body and it makes you look so pretty. You can use this top as a gym wear also. Maybe जब gym जाती हो ये लगाती हो कभी कभी, because like it's kind of a gym wear also. If you have this top, you can double style it. Like you can style it when you go out and you can style it in gym also. Like बहुत comfortable है. And ये वाला top, it is true in size, so you can go with your usual size. So guys, I literally forgot about this top. This top is also very comfortable plus stylish. So I'm wearing this top in size small and it is very comfortable and it has a unique lace detail. यहाँ हाथ पे भी ये lace वाला detail है. ऊपर से ये top asymmetrical है, which make this top looks more attractive. So I rate this top 10 on 10 because it's very comfortable plus stylish and size का भी कोई issue नहीं है, material भी बहुत अच्छा है. So I'm rating this top a 10 on 10. So guys, I really want to tell you all something, that all the tops that I'm wearing in this video is the top that I don't wear anymore. Like most of the top I don't wear anymore. So like I have a thrift store on Instagram, so if you wanna buy them in affordable price, you can just go and check my Instagram thrift page, which will be mentioned here. So please go and check and you can get all this top in a lower price. So go check now. So this is gonna be the last top, which is a vest. ये वाला टॉप मुझे बहुत पसंद आया था, इसलिए मैंने ऑर्डर किया. बट देन इट टुक मी लाइक 1 मंथ के बाद आया. एंड देन जब आया तो लाइक साइज भी लाइक ठीक नहीं था. आई ऑर्डर दिस इन साइज स्मॉल बट ये मुझे थोड़ा बड़ा आ गया था. सो आई थॉट ऑफ रिटर्निंग दिस. एंड देन मेरा एग्जाम चल रहा है आजकल, सो मैंने सोचा कल करूँगी. एंड देन टाइम ओवर हो गया बिकॉज न्यूमी दे प्रोवाइड यू ओनली 7 days रिटर्न पॉलिसी. 7 days के अंदर में आपको रिटर्न करना है. इफ़ यू आर अनेबल टू रिटर्न इट देन ये कभी रिटर्न नहीं होगा. सो मेरा 7 days ऑलरेडी पार हो चुका है एंड देन ये रह गया है. सो लाइक आई एम थिंकिंग टू सेल इट. इफ़ यू रियली वांट टू बाय दिस वेस्ट टॉप देन आई कैन सेल इट टू यू लाइक इन अ लोअर प्राइस देन द ओरिजिनल प्राइस. ये वाला जो है इतना बड़ा बो, ये लाइक पीछे में लगाता है. आई पुट द पिक्चर समवेयर हियर, you'll just see it. ये वाला ऐसा पीछे में होता है. लेट मी शो यू प्रॉपरली. It is kind of a halter neck vest top. The color is so pretty and it's so trending these days, but ये मैं लगा नहीं सकूँगी because this doesn't fit me. So that's all for today's haul. And lastly, don't forget to use my coupon code which is given on the screen. And if you use this coupon, आपको मिलेगा कुछ offers, कुछ discounts. So like just use it. And आपको link चाहिए तो just like comment down for link, or I will just put the link on the description. You can just shop it. And that's all for today's haul. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.